with the Ultra watch, it looks amazing. And how do I know that? Because I just picked up the Ultra Watch 2. Hey guys, welcome back to the 1 minute review. Today I'm looking at some Bandletic watch bands. So I did a lot of reviews for this company and I actually love their quality of product. They did send me the band, they did compensate me to make the video, but I really didn't appreciate the band as much as I do now. I did it with a lot of my older watches. I had an old Apple Watch 7 and it looked okay on it, and I did some reviews on it, but honestly, with the Ultra watch, it looks amazing. And how do I know that? Because I just picked up the Ultra Watch 2, and I want to show you how it looks really on the Ultra watch. It looks absolutely amazing. The quality of the band itself is super soft. It's like amazing. It won't pull your hair. Fully adjustable with all the slots you can see here. As you can see the big buckle in the back here, how that big buckle is. That's fantastic. You can see, and I've been using this band for quite a while on my other watch, but I really didn't appreciate the beauty until it was on the Ultra 2. Now you can see here the accents I want to show you here. It's got the little accent on the band itself, the orange on the side of the little button. So how cool is that? It actually matches it beautifully, even on the ring, the adjustment crown. You can see that. I love this watch. It's really high quality, 49mm watch. If you're interested in the Ultra, it definitely is worth it. My first time owning an Ultra, I always had the basic, watch, and I didn't get the black because it just looks too common to me. So I wanted something that kind of stands out a little bit more. And this color I really like. They call the color, I think, neutral. Again, it's got 3,000 nits, 36 hours of runtime approximately. I think it's 1,000 meters of water resistance or waterproof, I guess. It just has so many cool features. It has water temperature, it has height, altimeter, all that kind of really cool stuff. But the band, how it looks on this watch, is absolutely over the top. I just want to show you this because this is my first time having this band on this watch, and it's a huge difference. I absolutely love it. Now this is a really soft silicone band, all right, and there'll be a link at the end of this video and also right over here for this band, and then also the watch too if you're interested. I definitely recommend the watch. I mean, I know it's not cheap, but honestly, the quality build, the aluminum 49mm case, the whole thing, the sapphire crystal, I mean, the 3,000 nits, I mean, the whole thing, the whole package is absolutely quality. You can just see the beautiful, how it's well made all around here, the gorgeous. It's just amazing how they just make this watch. And I was afraid of the black one getting scratched as well, because people did some tests on it, and they can scratch. This one here, you don't have to worry about scratching it. So I was going to show you how it looks on my wrist. I'm going to put it right on. Again, super easy to put on your wrist. Just pop it on here, adjust any size, like I said, any of these holes, whatever is comfortable for you. Let me lock it right on my wrists real quick. Right there. It's got two cinches in the back here, so you can adjust that. That's really important as well. Let me just unlock it real quick. I just want to show you how it looks in my hand. Absolutely love the look of this watch. Again, you got the orange accent there, which matches here, matches the crown right there. I think this looks awesome. So now I can really appreciate these Bandletic bands, guys. Fantastic job. They look amazing. I keep all their products. The Bandletic is absolutely one of the top quality bands I absolutely love. So if you're looking for a band, definitely check them out. I don't think you'd be disappointed. Actually, the quality is fantastic. You can see huge difference how it looks on your wrist. Just amazing. It just gives extends the metal across your wrist a little bit. It gives it that bold, strong statement that you're different and you have a cool watch, whatever it is, whatever you think, whatever. You can get the regular watch, doesn't matter. It looks good. It looks good, the regular watch too, but really, it's made for the Ultra. Even the box, it shows the Ultra. Definitely recommend this. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and share the video. I appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And also, leave some comments down below if you think the Ultra 2 is worth it. I think it is. Let me know. Leave some comments down below. That really helps the algorithm, and I really do appreciate it if you can do that for me. So go ahead and do that right below here. Leave a comment. Tell me you like it, don't like it, waste of money, whatever you think. It's totally your comment, your decision. I absolutely respect everything. All right, that's what I have for you today. I appreciate your time as always. Thanks for tuning in to the 1 minute review, and you make it a good day.